Hello, Mark Reynolds here, Chief Clerk of the Court of Appeals. It's time for Tip Tuesday, brought to you by a few of us here at the mighty COA.
I'm Jane Yohalem. I'm a judge on the New Mexico Court of Appeals, and I'm sitting here in the Court of Appeals courtroom, which we have finally started after almost 2 years to use again for oral arguments.
My name is Aletheia, the Chief Appellate Attorney at the Court of Appeals.
We have some changes to the FAQs, and here's the first one.
The initial report checklist for a potential or negative COVID-19 case no longer has to be reported to the ERT or to the COVID test group email.
Instead, each court will track their own potential cases.
Remember that all positive cases still must be reported to the Supreme Court's emergency response team within 2 hours of management being notified through the COVID test group email.
Here's another reporting change. Any positive reports submitted to a judicial entity after hours or on the weekend
Must be reported to the ERT by 10 a.m. and to OSHA by noon the next business day.
Notification of positive COVID-19 cases starts when the positive diagnosis is received by the person who reports to ERT or OSHA.
Not when the employee or judicial officer sent the notification.
And here's some good news. Before entering the building, you now will answer the screening questions on your own.
You do not need to fill out the Google form.
But before you go to work, ask yourself the screening questions. You probably have them memorized.
And remember, if you have any of these symptoms, report them to your supervisor and don't come to work at the building. Shortness of breath, difficulty breathing, a dry cough, a fever of 100.4 or higher.
Chills, sore throat, body aches, congestion or runny nose,
Nausea or vomiting, diarrhea, loss of taste or smell, or if you have concerns that you've been exposed to the virus. Stay out. No offense. Especially diarrhea. Just stay away. And report your symptoms to your supervisor.
For further guidance, go to our website, inside or outside, and check out the latest FAQs.
This Tip Tuesday is brought to you by Pepto-Bismol, Kleenex, and the Court of Appeals.